Okay, so next we will test on the sound. So which type of material will produce the least sound? So first we will test on the farmhouse sink, made of ceramic. So the farmhouse sink comes with this stainless steel rack. So with this rack, it will actually help to dampen the noise. So this is the sound you get. Then metal. Okay, now if in case it hits on the ceramic, so that's the sound. Next we'll test on the stainless steel. So I'll test it here. You can see the bottom part is hollow. I raise up a bit. So you can hear that the noise for the stainless steel is actually lower. So why stainless steel is lower? Because it comes with rubber padding at the bottom, rubber padding at the side as well. So this helps to reduce the noise, like insulation. Then next we'll go for the granite sink. So granite sink. So most people thought that granite sink are thick, so hence lesser noise. So let's do a test. So surprisingly, it's quite loud. Seems louder than the stainless steel. And then next we'll go for the nano coating sink. So same thing, I'll raise it up a bit. So with the nano coating, it does not reduce noise level, it's the same. So I will say for noise level, number one, lowest noise, I will go for stainless steel. Next, I will go for the farmhouse sink. Then last, granite.